And now yet another mysterious flashing light update. Guys, these keep coming in day after day after day. Right now I'm up to 560 on the map over here in the United States. We just eclipsed 1,400. We're now at 1,402 total videos that have been sent in worldwide. Unbelievable. We're going to start out in New Mexico. This first video was sent in by Donald. It has narration. Here we go.
This is for MrMBB333. You just can't make this stuff up. I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Are you serious right now? You can't make this stuff up. This looks like a set for a movie, but this is real. Unbelievable. Donald out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, walked up on a house and the entire house was flashing for unknown reasons. Just incredible. This is sweeping the earth. Here's another example by Jared out of California, May 21st of 2025. Came up on this building in a plaza, multiple lights on the outside of the building, flickering for unknown reasons, pulsing on and off, on and off. Just wild. And we'll say it again. You can't make this stuff up. It is a real phenomena that's sweeping the earth. Nobody knows for sure what exactly is causing this. Maryland, Cynthia Grant, 5/16 of 2025. She said this is the first time this light has ever malfunctioned to the best of her knowledge. And those look like the 48-inch long fluorescent bulbs. Video number 4 out of Florida, sent in by Mike. This video has narration. Here we go.
Look, I'm telling you, there's something interfering with the lights.
Well, it could be like a short or something.
And the young lady was right. It could be some sort of a short, but it's sweeping the entire earth, and you never know when or where it's going to show up. Example number 5, 2 different locations. Same situation as we just saw in Florida. One rogue and random light flashing for unknown reasons, as if something was interfering with the flow of electricity to that particular light. Why didn't the bulbs just go out? Why are they blinking? Next video also has narration by Kyle out of Missouri. Here we go.
Hey, MrMBB, it's 2:45 in the morning. We've got flashing lights with no power.
Now, how do you explain that? They were in the middle of a power outage in Salem, Missouri on the night of May 21st at 2:45 a.m., yet they too had mysterious flashing bulbs in the middle of the night. Make that make sense. Going from Missouri to New Hampshire, this video has narration by Nate. Here we go.
All right, so MrMBB, you want to see a weird one here? Car behind me, lights, no blinky blink. Put my camera on in reverse. Blinky, blinky, blinky. Don't know if it's a camera artifact or if something's going on with the blinking lights, but thought it was pretty cool. I've seen this before, actually, so I figured I'd show it to you. Check your rear view mirrors and cameras. They show blinking lights on cars that don't show blinking lights to your eyes. Very odd.
Very odd indeed. Make that make sense. I mean, this is wild. Video here sent in by Michael K. from May 13th of 2025. This is looking up the staircase in his house, and you can see the ceiling light flickering for unknown reasons. Actually, 2 were flickering there. Moving on to example number 9, going up to Colstrip, Montana. Video sent in by Deanna from the night of May 10th. This was so weird, she pulled her car over to the side of the road and started recording.
This is in Colstrip, Montana. No idea. We've never seen this here before. We kind of live in the middle of nowhere. And the streetlights are doing this throughout our area. No idea why.
And the thing of it is, people are wanting to know what's going on. They're seeing this as highly mysterious. Typically, when a bulb goes out, if it's going to malfunction, it just turns off. They don't start blinking like this for unknown reasons. And the last example I have for today, guys, I have hundreds of more I could share with you guys, but I'm just doing a few at a time. We're going to Maine. Video footage sent in by Leslie, and it's of the mysterious purple lights. Check this out.
MrMBB333. Rest area, Maine, USA. Purple lights. Purple lights. Purple lights. Purple light. Maine. So bright, it's reflecting off the trucks.
Turned the trailer of this big rig purple. Video footage once again out of Maine. Great job, guys. Keep the photos and videos coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. Look for this red tab that says have a large video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your videos into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.